Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. Innovative Energy Group Limited has advised that the company entered into an agreement dated August 26, 2024 with Innovative Energy Company DBA IEC SPEI Limited to purchase 100% of its shares for a purchase consideration of a US $17,746,443, equivalent to 2.8 billion Jamaican dollars, thereby obtaining full control over all the assets and liabilities of the company. Innovative Energy Company Limited is a Jamaican-based, vertically integrated energy company whose team has over 3 decades of experience in the private energy industry. They have developed, financed, constructed, and operated over 20 energy projects in the United States, Central America, and Jamaica with a total capital cost of over US $800 million. The Jamaica Tourist Board has appointed Buzz Travel Marketing Middle East as its new trade representative office for the Gulf Cooperation Council region, which includes countries such as India and Dubai. The aim is to seek new markets to expand Jamaica's appeal. In 2023, Jamaica achieved a 17% increase in tourist arrivals from the previous year, recording more than US $4.2 billion in revenue. Notable companies have reported purchase and sales of stocks by their key executives. Omni Industries Limited has advised that a director purchased 846,683 Omni shares on October 23, 2024. Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica Limited, which trades as Purity, has advised that a director purchased 610,364 Purity shares on August 23, 2024. Supreme Ventures Limited has advised that a director purchased 319,424 shares and a related entity sold 319,424 SVL shares on August 28, 2024. Grace Kennedy Limited has advised that during the period of August 20 to August 27, 2024, the company purchased a total of 232,000 GK shares under the Grace Kennedy 2023 share repurchase program. During trading for the period of August 29, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Investment firm Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 5,629,258 units represented 15.78% of the market value in terms of sales. Beverage distributor Jamaica Teas Limited with 4,758,117 units represented 13.34% of the market activity in terms of sales. Pharmaceutical distributor R.A. Williams Distributors Limited with 4,220,353 units represented 11.83% of the market activity in terms of sales. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the stock market, we turn to the Forex market. On August 29, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $60.03 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $69.33 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $158.29 and bought US dollars for $156.90. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.39, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $6.19 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $118.67 and bought for $112.48. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $4.32, selling it for $207.31 and buying it for $202.99. For our credit report tip of the day, we continue to look at rebuilding your credit score after the age of 50. It might seem difficult, but you can take control and improve your financial health. If you have assets and freelance income, you're already in a strong position to rebuild and boost your credit score. So here is 2 strategies to get you started. 1, request a credit limit increase. If you're in good standing with your current credit card issuer, request a credit limit increase to improve your credit utilization ratio. 2nd, make on-time payments your priority. Consistently paying bills on time is the most critical factor in rebuilding credit. Set reminders, automate payments, or use apps to stay on track. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed. Stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.